day I was having dinner with my kids in my house, and my younger daughter said, Dad, don't worry about climate change. One day a scientist will design a machine that can offset all of that carbon that is in the atmosphere, and we will be safe from climate change. And I said to my daughter, you know what? Nature invented that machine many, many millions of years ago. That machine, the name of that machine is called a tree, a forest. Forests and plants in these planets can really offset that carbon. So if we stop tropical deforestation or forest deforestation at the global level, we will use effectively that machine that was designed by nature probably 300 million years ago. Costa Rica has been very successful in understanding how do we give value to nature and how do we use nature as a driver for economic growth, particularly within ecotourism. Costa Rica, as you probably know, is a nature-based destination country where people do visit the country because of nature. They enjoy the parks, they enjoy the landscape, the tropical forests, and that does generates a lot of economic opportunities to the people. So if nature becomes a driver for growth and economic development, people won't destroy nature.